Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by trimming the sleeve edge to a clean 1/2 seam allowance, then press the hem flat so the fabric lies smooth. Next, cut a bias or straight binding strip about 1.5 times the sleeve circumference. That gives you room to ease. Once done, fold the binding lengthwise and press, then mark quarter points on both sleeve and binding. Make sure to match those marks when you pin. This prevents puckers and keeps distribution even as you sew. Now you attach the binding, open the folded strip and align the raw edge to the sleeve, right sides together. Pin between your quarter marks and ease the fabric on curves so there are no tucks. Sew slowly with a 0 to 3, 5 stitch length, keeping a 1/4 inch seam allowance, guide rather than pull. When you reach curves, clip the seam allowance at short intervals so the binding can sit flat. After sewing, press the seam toward the binding to set the shape and to finish, fold the binding over to the sleeve back so the raw edge is enclosed and pin in place. You can either hand stitch it with small slip stitches or top stitch close to the fold. Aim for about 1/8 inch to keep it neat. Trim bulky layers, press again, and inspect both sides for consistent width and smooth corners. If the binding pulls or puckers, loosen the machine tension, re-ease the fabric while re-sewing short sections, and press again to relax fibers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.